Now that AI seems to be doing everything for us, how about we just be doing some of these things just for fun, just to remind ourselves how we used to do them. Today, I want to do some quick transparent text, and I've got this image here straight off. I want to darken it a little bit so that my text can stand out a little bit more. I'm going to do curves. I'm going to lower that a little bit up to there. Then I'm going to take this layer and I'm going to hit Ctrl J to duplicate it, and I will take it up. And on this layer, I want to isolate the subject. So click isolate the subject. And when that is done, let's create a layer mask. We do that. Now on this, I want to put back a bit of the brightness that I removed. I'm going to clip this so that it only affects the layer below. Straight away, let's go to creating our text, and we'll call her Didi. Control A to select all of it, and I'm going to add that to the very maximum. 1296 is the maximum I can get. I'm going to position that layer there. I'm going to hit Ctrl T to transform it. So I can transform it that way. I can transform it up. That looks okay to me. And now that we have this layer, again, we're going to duplicate that. Ctrl J, move the copy down to below our image. That we hide that. We have the text behind. And we come to this top one. When we come to this one, let's take away all the fill. Take away the fill. And let's go to blending modes. We come to effects and go to blending options. We'll start by giving this one a stroke. And for this, let's do something like not so big. Let's maybe just play around 5 or 6. I'll do 5. I'll do 5. The position, I want this one to be on the outside. And the opacity can remain at 98 or thereabout. 100 is all right. And the color, I want to change that to a bright color. So white will do just fine. And next, we are going to do color overlay. And on this one, before we move on, actually, let's come back to the stroke. Let's change that blending mode from normal to linear dodge. Then let's do color. We'll change the blend mode to linear dodge, add as well. And let's change the color. Let's have that. We'll start with that and see how it works. We are going to reduce the opacity to something like 13. And now we can play around with the color to feel which one does not contrast so much. We just want a slight variation between where the text is and where the areas not covered by the text. So perhaps I think that looks about right. Okay, hit OK. And next we're just going to do a drop shadow. On the drop shadow, let's leave the blend mode at multiply. The opacity, let's turn the opacity up to around mid 60s, thereabout. And the angle, let's turn that to around 41. Let's see what that is doing. Yeah, you can see just this area here. And we're going to do a distance of around 11 for thereabout. The spread that remains 0. Size 7 is okay, to be honest. So I guess leave it at that. Contour, just pick whichever you feel does it for you. As for me, I think that is just okay. And that's pretty much it. Really, that's it. Let's collapse the effects there. The only other thing we can do now is to come and link the layers that go together. Click the text, both text layers, link the layers. and the subject. Let's click those and let's link those two. That way, if you accidentally come to the text and you moved it around, it will remain as a layer and not get disjointed. Okay, then you can position it wherever you want. And when it is like this, because they are linked now, even if you wanted to resize, you can resize it the way you want, and it will stay together. Done with that. Okay, and that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Until next time, let's keep polishing our skills, even if AI is here to do our work.